Hey my loves, back with another video. This one is a hair one. We got the one and only Cocotique. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay you guys, I'm gonna put the name of the company in the description box below, and their website and all that good stuff. You guys don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, alright? Get the comment section going. Ooh, okay. So, let's look at this. I got a bag this time. It says, self-care is my superpower. Oh, okay. Self-care in a box. Alright. Let me open this a little bit more. Okay, so nothing's in a bag this time, you guys. It's just, in a box. It's just in a bag this time. Alright, so let's dig in. What is inside of here? So first, you get this all the time. Twisted Sister. It's a salon-inspired hair cure from London. Self-care power. Dana Hill Robinson, she's the founder and the CEO. Check her out on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. And she got an email as well. And everything is from her, I believe. So we have the Twisted Sister Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, the 30-second curl spray, the Curl Perfection Cream Gel, Amazing Cream Curls, Hold Mist, and all these have coupons. I'm gonna put this up in case you want to freeze it and get a little discount. They all expire March 31st of this year, 2020. So you got some more stuff too. So right here, this is the same thing. You can get them at Rite Aid, Walgreens, CVS, and HEB. I'm not sure where that's at. Maybe in your area, and selected beauty supply stores. So yeah, I guess this is new to America. No, I've seen this before. So this is from the makers. This is the Innate Hair Collection. It's a hold mix, and you can find it at Walmart. And I'm pretty sure if you live in the UK, France, South Africa, and wherever, they'll have like where they're at on their website probably, where you can find their products. So let's do the first thing. So this is the hold mix, the Fix Hold Mist. My bad. Urban Therapy, channeling your inner beauty. So this is basically a UV protective after styling hairspray designed to hold your hair in place while adding shine. So you basically hold it 4 to 8 inches away. Yada yada. Spray all over. Repeat as desired. And it should hold your look for the whole day. So it's paraben free, sulfate free, phosphate free. Oh no, not phosphate. What? Phthalate. Cruelty free. No mineral oils, recyclable in the last 12 months. And they have their website. Customer service. So let me open this up because I gotta smell it. Wish you guys could smell it too. Okay, it smells like it's not pickles. It's like pickles. First it smelled like a perfume or something, but now it smells like pickles to me. So right here is the 30-second curl spray. It has coconut, avocado, and almond oil. It revitalizes your curls and eliminate frizz. And this one's 8 ounces. And the spray is 8 ounces as well. So it basically refreshes your curls. You can put it on wet or damp hair. Allow it to air dry or use a diffuser. And this one lasts 12 months. And this was made in Canada. Alright. UK company. Got it in Canada. Ooh. Oh, let me smell it. Forgot to smell it. You know I gotta smell it. Ugh. I smell this coconut. Babe, I'm telling you. If I get one more box with some coconut in it, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Salon inspired hair curl. This is coconut. Coconut. It's curl perfection cream. Ah, dang. Yeah, they all have coconut in it. Coconut, avocado, almond oil. It moisturize, hold, and shine. The perfect style cocktail in one. So it says it's great for different hair types, but I don't do that stuff, so we're not even gonna. 12 months. Recyclable, sulfate free, paraben free. It's probably gonna smell just like the other one. Yep, I can smell through I can smell through this part. Oh gosh. You guys really tried this much. You guys really tried me, like for real. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Yep. So this is the leave-in conditioner. It hydrates, detangles, and blocks frizz for all kinds of curls and textures. So basically your hair don't have to be curly. Wavy, it can be whatever. So, twist it wet, it penetrates the frizz and it feeds the moisture into your hair. Salon inspired, London certified, and it has your hair curly, manageable curls without weighing your hair down. And basically you part your hair and you do it from root to tip, and you comb through, do not wash, and you style as usual. And we got one more thing in here. Oh, let me smell it. I'm pretty sure it smells the same. Oh, it's less intense. It's not as intense, which is it's a plus. So this is full size, you guys, and this one's a 12 ounce. And the last thing we have is the Amazing Cream Curl Gel. Same thing, coconut, avocado, almond. It elongates your curls, strong hold, eliminate frizz. This one's 11 ounces. This is the best using on wet hair and from root to tip. Air dry for best results. You could diffuse if you want to in style. So basically it lasts 12 months and is recyclable, and I don't see anything about free of parabens and all that good stuff. I guess it's not in here since it's curl gel. So here's the top of it. It's lightweight, it says. Ultra Therapy. Let me smell this. Oh, this smells decent. It kind of smells like some kind of fruit or something, or a bean, like a mixture. That really smells good, you guys. I'm glad I don't smell it. I wish all these smelled like this. Let me put my finger in real quick. Oh. Okay. Alright, you guys. This is everything. Let's go over what we got again. And I'll leave the link below again. I'll put it in the comment section as well, so you go straight to the website. This box is $25 with free shipping. You could choose between a month, 3 months, I think 6, 9, and 12 are now, I believe. I'm not really sure, but they changed a little policy, and now you receive your box a week before when you usually did, because it was towards the end of the month. But I got mine on the 17th and they shipped it out on the 15th. So yeah, so you got the curl cream, you got the leave-in conditioner, you got the 30-second curl spray. I know it's 30-second. Alright. And this is the cream gel. more gel, this cream, and then you got some more holding spray. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll check you back. I'll see you next month for another one, and pretty soon the curl kit should be coming soon, and we're going to do a review on that one as well. Alright, you guys, till next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye!